To make the fake snow cones, you're going to need a little cone. Now, I happen to have a lot of these little styrofoam ice creams, so I just decided to take off the top. You definitely don't have to do that. You could just use a little cone. I got these styrofoam eggs at Hobby Lobby, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cut off one end of it so that I can make my fake snow cone. And I'm just sanding this with a heavy grit sandpaper, and I just try to make it a little bit smoother on the bottom. Now I'm just taking some tacky glue and putting that on the cone, and then I'm going to put the styrofoam on top and allow that to dry. I'm going to be using these colors mixed with white to make this snow cone stripes, but in hindsight, I should have done the colors last because I do end up having to go back and retouch up these colors. It wasn't a big deal, but just to make things easier, I think painting the colors would be best to wait if you waited until almost the last to do it. Next, I'm just painting the cone white with a white acrylic paint. And then I'm going to use a pipe cleaner to make the edge of the cup. You could also use clay for this. I just decided to use the pipe cleaner. Then I went through and I painted all the pipe cleaners, and I didn't feel like that was enough pigment for me. So I went back through and I put my own homemade puffy paint on it. That puffy paint video is in my video collection. You can find it under Bake Bake Basics if you want to do that, or you can just go over it with more puffy paint. I just wanted a more solid look. And this is my homemade puffy paint that I'm using right here. Next, I'm going to coat the pipe cleaner and the cone, everything white, with Mod Podge. Next, I'm just going to use this glitter. It's one of my favorites. It's from Michaels. It's called Glitz. It's just a translucent glitter. And I'm going to put glitter all over the white areas, the pipe cleaner and the cone. And then I just went back to touch up that paint like I said that I needed to. So I went ahead and did that. Next, I went ahead and put Mod Podge all over the colored areas of the cone, and then I'm going to use some fake snow that I found at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to put that all over it. Now after that, I'm just going to add some more of that fine glitter just to fill in any gaps that the snow doesn't cover. And here you go. Here's your beautiful little fake snow cone. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll try to answer them. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and please subscribe. Thank you.